All right, hey, howdy folks. Today is going to be day 2 in Nepal, Kathmandu. Out here at the pool, got a gym in, a little gym session in this morning, and got some sun here in the chair. Got a swim in. Pool's pretty cold. I like it. Did that for a little while. Was working on a YouTube video from yesterday, and out of the corner of my eye I see movement, and there is a dang monkey standing next to me. Like, this monkey is right next to me. Scared the crap out of me. And he wandered over here and went underneath a chair. And I'm gonna play some video I got of him, but it was pretty quick because the staff here don't want the monkeys in here. I guess they can get kind of aggressive, and I want to see the monkeys, but I guess the staff doesn't. So they came out with a slingshot, and the monkeys were like, oh crap, it's a guy with a slingshot. So they bolted. So I'm gonna head back to my room. I'm gonna get dressed up, and I'm gonna head back out here into the city where I last saw this monkey go, and we're gonna go see if we can find some more monkey. All right, let's go find a monkey. At a temple here down the road from my hotel. I was told the monkey that surprise attacked me while I was at the pool lives here. If I wanted to see monkeys, to come here. There appears to be some kind of funeral or something going on, so I might be a little out of place, but they let me just walk in, so I'm gonna keep looking for monkey. Well, if there's a monkey here, he's hiding good. So I'm gonna try and get on that back side of the resort where I saw that monkey go last. And then we'll probably have to give up on monkey for at least today, because I got some other stuff I want to do. All right. So after making a quick stop in a tea house to buy some homegrown green and black tea, I'm back on the trail of this monkey, and he's somewhere. I'm trying to get to the back side of this resort on this alley right now. We're gonna find this monkey. Man, there's a lot of pretty houses back here. Not something you wouldn't expect. But, all right, y'all. I'm gonna get going. Keep my head on a swivel. Real quick, for monkey proofing your wall, they put nails in there. Pretty neat. Not sure about this guy. All right, we're on the back side of the resort where that stupid pool guy scared my monkey out of there. So we're gonna see if we can't find a monkey. Monkey. Oh, that guy's looking at me weird. It's pretty dense in there. It could be anywhere. All right, so that sign right there is on the pool side. So that monkey came right over the top, somewhere right in here. Came over that fence through the wire. Been a couple hours now. It's pretty nasty in here. Either way, no monkey. All right, well, we gave up on monkey. Stupid monkey. I don't know where he went, but I'm gonna be keeping my eye out for him now. I do plan on seeing some monkeys at the monkey temple, but this one just came out of the blue and I wanted to see him in the wild. But anyway, we're off to find the Russian cafe. I'm gonna go over and have a talk with them about Putin, what Putin's doing, and see if we can't come to some kind of agreement. But anyway, I'll be back. I came down here because it kind of looked monkey-ish, but it also looks cobra-ish, so I'm just gonna keep moving. I'm pretty sure that if a cobra crosses the street in front of me, I'll have a heart attack. I don't need to worry about it biting me. Ooh, that trail looks like it's a pain in the butt to get up. All right, back in a few. All right, we've made it to the Russian bakery. We're going to go in and check it out and see all this Russian food, and I might probably get coffee and a Danish or something. We'll see. All right, Russian cafe has been completed. We did not talk politics, but it was very good food. I had the apple pie, which is kind of ironic, seeing that it's Russian apple pie. American, as American as Russian apple pie. I don't know. Anyway, my man Eisen in there spoke outstanding English. He wants to go to Missouri or the Northeast to study, and he's well on his way. He speaks really good English like that. I thought maybe he was American or something like that. It was good. It says he got it from playing online and virtual things, which I guess makes sense. That kind of links everybody together. But anyway, Russian cafe, I give it thumbs up. I even got to go. It's called something Forest. I'll have to look. It's a Russian cake for dessert tonight, and all about it. But headed back to the resort. I got a massage coming up here in 30 minutes, trying to work out yesterday's hike. All right, y'all. Talk to you soon. Getting dark on me. I gotta go find my monkey before dark. Headed up the hill. Found you, monkey. What are you doing, monkey? Been looking for you guys all day. Oh, poor guy's missing an arm and a tail. Hey, buddy. So it took all day. I came out just before dark, came back to this temple. There they are, monkey. I'm looking for the monkeys. Now we found them. They don't seem to like me though. We'll work on that. Thank you, monkey. All right, guys, we found our monkeys, so our day has ended as a success. Headed to the Japanese ramen noodle house right now to get some dinner. I will leave the day 2 video with a picture of whatever tonight's dinner is. So day 2 success. On to day 3. We'll see y'all soon.
हार्दिक स्वागत छ